Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So here we are making the lines like this as shown in the video and it's done. Next we have to make the ears. Now draw the eyes, nose and the mouth. Draw the body of it and make a dress like this. Now make a mermaid lower body parts. Make her hands like this. So you can see how we are making. Make her hairs and the crown on the head of the mermaid. So you can see. Now you can color it beautifully and your mermaid is ready. Don't forget to make her necklace. Next, we have to take a circle and then draw the eyes, nose, hairs of the girl like this. Make her ponytail on the head. Make her dress, hands and the legs of the girl like this. So you can see. Now, we have to make the lines on the top like this and make the strings of the balloon on her hands. Color it and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines. Make the ears, face, eyes, nose and the mouth of the girl. Make her neck and the shoulder. Draw the lines like this. Make her long hairs and color it and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines like this. Now we have to make the face, eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now make the legs of the girl. Now make her hands like this. Now make the flowers around the girl and color it like this with a pink color and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to put the dots like this. Now, put the green and different color dots as per your choice as we are putting here in this video. Make their hairs with the black color. Make their hands and legs. As we have shown in this video, you have to follow the same steps like this. And it's done. You can make their shadows with the help of the earbuds like this. So you can see how we are doing it and it's done. Next, make a circle and again make a circle. Now we have to make the hat on the top of it like this. Make the eyes, nose of the snowman, make its muffler. Now make the base, make their hands and make the lines like this and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be making the lines like this to make the hairs. Make its ears, face, eyes, nose, mouth and the hairs. Make these flowers on the sides of it. Now make the hairs like this. Now make her shoulder and the neck as shown in the video. So you can see how we are making it. Color it and it's done. Next, again we have to make the hairs, eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now cover the hairs. Now make the lines to make her hairs on the sides. Now make the shoulder, neck and the hands. Color it and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines. So you can see we are writing the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can see we have turned it into a man. Thanks for watching.